One of the key messages I talk about is to unleash your potential the corporate Sufi way. And one of the ways to unleash your potential is to ignite your power. And how does one do that? Let's look at the word power. The word P stands for past. The past does not matter. The past is not relevant. The past is not the issue. The past does not equal the future. You can learn from the past. You can reflect on the past. But you have to act today. You have to execute in the moment today to be able to create a bright future. So, use your past as a springboard for success in the future. Remember, today is the most important day of your life. Today is the most important day of your life. Why? Because you are alive today. Otherwise, the past and future is not relevant. And because you are alive today, you have to act today. You have to execute today. You have to look at life as a journey to be savored and enjoyed, not a destiny to reach. So if you want to have power, the power comes in the moment now. What you do now, your thoughts, your action, your behavior, your outlook, your attitude, everything determines how much power you have. When you're in that kind of a mode, people feel your energy. People feel your vibe. People can see your smile. People can feel your love. It is a very powerful place to be. But if you're entrenched in the past, worrying about what happened 10 years ago or 20 years ago, then you scatter your energy. You diffuse. There is no power. The word O stands for opportunity. Opportunities are galore. They happen all the time. Are you prepared? If you're not prepared, opportunities mean nothing. When preparation meets opportunity, that's dynamite. That's dynamite. So the key thing we have to do to create power is to be prepared. We have to be prepared to what we want. If you have a vision where you want to be, you start acting, behaving, talking, walking, breathing as if you're already there. And then when the opportunity comes, you are prepared because you acted it, lived it. It's like deja vu because you've been there in your visualization, in your mind, in your outlook, in your attitude. So it's not like you are in uncharted territory, you've been there. So preparation is important. Every day, spend time to prepare. Know what you want. And then spend time to make the preparation. You know, if the ground is not fertile, then no matter how much rain you bring down, it's not going to create fruits because the ground is not ready to create results. The word W is for winning. What does winning mean to you? If you don't know what winning means to you, you might be winning and feeling you're losing. Some people win, and that's their biggest loss because they become complacent, they get laid back, they slow down, and then they're backpedaling again. So sometimes in your defeats, you have the biggest victories. So know what winning means to you. Remember, whenever you're doing your best, whenever you're giving 100% what you're giving to, you're always winning. You're always winning. It's not just the results that count. The joy is in the struggle, in the approach you have to life, and in giving your 100% best. And through that, you'll find every stumble is creating better results for you in the future. So power comes when you know what winning means to you, and you take every obstacle as a victory in one form or the other, and not becoming complacent with the victories, so-called victories that come to you in your life. The letter E stands for enlightenment. What do you mean by enlightenment? Enlightenment meaning having the perspective of life. Knowing what life means. Because 100 years from now, it won't matter how big your house was. It won't matter how much money you have in the bank account. It won't matter what car you drove. But the world will be a different place if you're important in the life of a child. So have perspective what life means. In the end, we go with nothing. When you die, you don't take what you have. You take what you give. So realize, what does life mean? Why are you here? It's not just about accumulation, but it's about making a difference. That's what it means. My friend recently sold her chiropractic practice, and she sold to a lady who had lost her mother. So when she was driving a car, she said, I wish my mother was alive to tell me if I should buy this practice or not. And the moment she said that in the car, her eyes caught a truck in front of her. And the truck had a sign on the back, OK Tire. So for her, it was a sign, it's okay to buy the practice. And she bought the practice, and she's quite happy buying the practice. So universal sign to her to do what she had to do. The universe is always giving us signs, but are we open to it? Many times we are shut, we don't see it. Every accident you have, every encounter you have, every experience you have, every person you meet is coming to you with a message. Are you open? If you're closed, you're missing a lot of stuff that's coming to you. And when you're open, that's one of the biggest forms of enlightenment. And the letter R stands for rejuvenation. Are you rejuvenating yourself? Every day, every hour. I use this methodology in my book, Corporate Sufi, the hour of power. Doing 20 minutes of meditation, 20 minutes of exercise, and 20 minutes reading something uplifting regularly. If you do this 20-20-20 regularly, you start your day with a bang. Something for your body, something for your mind, something for your spirit. And you have a whole day to worry about your profession, your family. A bang start of the day. That rejuvenates your body, your mind, your spirit. You're able to handle issues much more easier, much more powerfully. So, to get power, the word P, ignore the past, learn from the past, but execute in the moment. The letter O, opportunities are galore, but be prepared to grab the opportunity. When preparation meets opportunity, it's dynamite. The word W is for winning. You're winning all the time if you're doing your best. Don't become complacent when you win, because that could be your beginning to your loss. But every time you lose, learn from it, and remember, you always win when you do the best. E is for enlightenment, have perspective of life. Remember what's the meaning of life. It's not just a victory, it's a difference you make to other people around you. And the letter R is to rejuvenate. Every day, every morning, sit back and do some time for meditation, for reading, and for exercising. And through that, you ignite your power, which helps you unleash your potential. Thank you.